Hello everyone. Today let's discuss Befragen in German. Fragen means questions. First of all, we are studying different types of Befragen. Was means what. Where means who. Wo is where. Wie is how. We feel how much. Wann means when. Warum means why. Woher means where from. Wessen means whose. Wohin means where to. Wie oft, how often. Wie viele, how many. Let's discuss some examples for Befragen. Was must do, which means what are you doing. Machen is a verb which means to do. We get as dear, which means how are you. We feel ist das, which means what time is it. Wo bist du, which means where are you. Was sind eure Hobbys, which means what are your hobbies. Woher kommst du, which means where are you from. Wer bist du, which means who are you. And the last one is Warum lernst du Deutsch, which means why do you learn German.